How to create fill in the blanks in Google Forms. Now in order to do this, just simply open your Google Forms at very first. And after opening the Google Forms, if you have already created one, just simply open that. Otherwise, just simply open the new one. Now go over settings and enable this toggle for make this a quiz. Now after enabling this, go over the question section, and now in the question section you would like to add the question at very first. Now for example, I want to use the biggest country in the world, and for that I will use dot 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 is the biggest country, just this much. And here you go, we have fill in the blank, but now we have something else to do. Now from this multiple choice section, you just need to select this option of sort answer. You can leave the multiple choice as it is, but it will be better and suitable for blanks to add this sort answer section. Now tap to this answer key button and give the points as much as you would like to give, and enter the correct answer here for the question. For example, let's set the answer at China, and you are done. Just simply tap to done. Before that, you can mark all other answer as incorrect if you want to do that, and just simply tap to done button. Now respondents have to enter China in the short answer section, and if they do that, they will fill in the blanks and the answer will be correct, otherwise not. But the point is, this is how to create a fill in the blanks in Google Form. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.